Founders in OnPassive, let all of us thank Mr. Mufareh and his brilliant and innovative, technologically advanced staff, for helping us go to where only 1% of people have gone, to total financial and total freedom from our financial woes. OnPassive is a fait accompli. OnPassive has happened and not anyone or anything can reverse it. OnPassive was once a secret, but now it is not. People are waking up to the fact that OnPassive is for real, and they have a champion on their side. Founders absolutely believe in OnPassive and others will also. There will never be another company like OnPassive. OnPassive is built for the wealth to flow down, not up. How remarkable is that? Other companies do just the opposite. That is why OnPassive is poised to completely change the fortunes of billions now using the internet to conduct their businesses and stay connected to those they love without it costing them an arm and a leg to do that. OnPassive has changed all of that madness. OnPassive is the perfect solution to whatever ailments plaguing internet users. Before OnPassive. For those looking to make money instead of losing money, OnPassive is for you. OnPassive has built into its business model a done-for-you platform. Everyone using OnPassive products will be successful. Those words have never been spoken by any other company, ever. Founders realize what we have been given. We will use this expression of love to benefit humanity, so they can feel the euphoria that we feel towards OnPassive. From all the more than 483,000 grateful and beating and loving hearts of OnPassive founders, we thank you Mr. Mufareh and staff for loving us. We will definitely pass that love forward.